Hey guys, Mr.III here, and it's grilling time. But, well, gotta do a little prepping here, and you can see our stainless steel grates on this Monument grill are a little dirty. And I saw on Prime Day, this guy was for a good price, so got the BBQ Daddy, and we're gonna see how this steam clean actually does on this tough grime, because well, I don't think a wet paper towel and our other type of cleaner is gonna do it, since I already melted down the metal or the plastic bristles on that. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go open this up and try it out. Alrighty, so looking at the instructions here, it tells us to actually get our grill about 300, don't go over 350. And I know this grill, it does go pretty hot. And you're gonna get up even sometimes in the 600s or even more. And I gotta tell you, it's a good grill. So I'm gonna put some product links and stuff down below. I just installed this regulator there, or actually not regulator, but lets us know how much we're having of our gas in general. Let's see, and there we go. Grill is on. This is my special feature I love about this. Blue LEDs. I know it's daylight, you don't see it, but got the button there, and yeah. So let's get this guy started. Nice heat coming already. But then, I guess this thing's actually a 4-in-1. So we got our grate lifter, and then even a little scrubber there. Then we have almost like a mesh that's not metal, so you don't have to worry about getting little pieces of metal stuck out there. And then I assume our famous, like Scrub Buddy or whatever, or Daddy, underneath there. But I think they said these are normally good for about a season, so you do have to change them out. We do have a bottle opener on the back over here, and then that other piece right here, let's see if I can push it up or that way. That's the way you can hang this guy. But they mention before even using, submerge it underwater, and that's what actually will change the firmness. So cold water, so just dipping it in there. And it wants to float, but we do have that little handle up here too, so we'll see if this also later on turns into like a steam cleaner. So let me just pop that right here, give it a little sec. We're already about 250. So soon I'm gonna have to turn it down. I assume that we want to put this later on down on minimum and let that be, but we're already at 300. See, barely took any time. All right. Now doing this one-handed, let's see, did this change in firmness or whatever? Okay, yeah, so it just actually softened up. It's now like a sponge. And then, don't worry, I didn't have any drinks yet, but I'm just gonna do it like one hand like this. Oh, wow. That just took it right off. Are you guys seeing that? Let's see if I push like this, go underneath that way. That's great. The only thing I have, well, let's see, I think you can actually change the direction of this. Yeah, there we go. The handle. Because I can't go underneath that heating rack up there. Wow, that is quick and efficient. All right, I'm definitely recommending this. So if you guys want one, product link is down below, but that's like no effort. And like I said, normally you have two hands to even press on this thing. And then if you have anything tough, let's see if that's just tough or is it stuck on there. Yeah, that's great. Well, hey, See how you do to clean the other side of the grill? No, just kidding. But anyway, yeah, I'm totally satisfied with this thing. I'm glad I actually pulled the trigger and purchased it. And yeah, I'll crack a beer here off camera. And thanks again for watching. You just saw a live demonstration that this thing just cleaned it up effortlessly. Oh, it actually could even hold like this, like a trigger. So it looks like there's a lot of different ways you can hold this thing. You can hold it that way, this way, or even, well, I need something to hold the camera. All right, BBQ Daddy, you did it. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, actually, I should even fix my shirt here before I even do other stuff. Either way, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Mr.III out.